19 students are there out of 22. I'm closing this NC's workbench. I'll just wait. This is ANSYS software, ANSYS. In ANSYS, we have a module which is called as the workbench. So this software is used for analysis of stress in static condition as well as in dynamic condition. So you will learn finite element analysis in which, uh, like suppose if you have designed a machine table, or if you have designed a table on which you are keeping a machine. I am audible, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So like you have designed a table on which you are keeping a machine. So there is some weight of the machine. So you want to see whether the frame or the table what you have designed, uh, will it take that weight of the machine or not? uh, which part is stressed, which part is not stressed. So that identification, how much it is stressed, so that can be done using this ANSYS software, which is called as the finite element analysis software, FEA, finite element analysis software. Of course, this software you will learn uh, in next year, that is in third year, and not now. Hmm. I'll close this now. Do you want to save it? No, what I was saying that is some many of you maybe some computer software wizard, that is they like to download this that that. So if you are very particular, then you can download this ANSYS workbench, which will be useful for you in the next year as a part of the curriculum, and you can use it in this year also for your mini project, or if you are participating any other projects in the college. So I say no here, I close it. Hmm. Yeah. Now this is what is compulsory. What I am telling you, please write it down. That is, all of you have to download NX, which we have in our college. NX, that is from the Unigraphics. So you Google it, NX, student version. I will also give you the steps, how to download. So that is around 4.7 GB software, 4.7 GB, that is gigabyte software. Uh, Preferably the RAM requirement is 8, but you can manage with 4 GB also. 4 GB also you can manage. चालू झाला लॅपटॉप प्रोग्राम मधनं शटडाऊन करून दे. Now once you download the software, it will automatically create the folder. You listen carefully. Once you download the software, that is student edition. Next, NX for design it is. NX for design, student edition. Preferably you should have 8 GB RAM. uh, Even if you don't have, now mine is uh, 4 GB. Even if you don't have 8 GB, if you have 4 GB, that is sufficient. Okay, and space nowadays, so everybody has space because everybody uses 500 GB hard disk. So then you download in the root, or you can download in any other folder also. But the setup file you have to run in root directory, that is C drive. 4.7 GB is the data. Now once you download, it will create its folder automatically, and that folder will look like this. Folder just show you this Siemens NX Student Edition, and this is 64. It needs preferably it needs 64-bit processor. Preferably, not preferably. I think Student Edition it requires 64-bit processor. You can check whether 32-bit editions are available or not. But nowadays, I think Windows 7 Ultimate or even Windows 10, they have 64-bit processor. So you have to again ensure that minimum 4 GB RAM and 64-bit processor. So now this has created a folder. This is a zip file. Two folders it will create. One is, I mean, one only, that is zip file, and then you extract it. So this is a zip file, and you extract it, so you get this. Now within the folder, you have to look for application file. You have to look for an application file. So I'm going. This is a folder. I extracted that zip file, and this is a folder. So this is one application file, that is MST copy. Once you successfully download and once you run the setup, then you will get a symbol like this in your root directory, like this. That is a globe with a red triangle. You can see it here. I have pinned up to the taskbar. मैंने taskbar को pin up किया है. taskbar को pin up किया है. So this is one application file. We have one more application file here. That is दो हो गया. Then you have one more setup file. This is application. So out of so many files, you have to look for this application file. And then you have this. This is for the Windows installer package. So if you unzip it, and in the folder, if you can see these four, that means your downloading is correct. Now what you have to do, you go here first, Windows installer package, and you double click at this. Okay. So now the installation will start. Initial part was only downloading. Now once you double click here, it will install. The software will be installed here. Okay, once you install this will be very fast. The downloading will take time. Depending upon your connectivity, it may take 2 hours to 3 hours. Depends how good is your net connection, internet connection. But usually you can assume 2 hours, 2 ghanta. But then installation is you will hardly take 10-15 minutes. Then once this is installed successfully, then you run this application file. Again double click here, setup may double click. This is very fast. 1 or 2 minutes it will take. Then you run both. This is again very fast. Once you are done that, then this remaining three are very fast. That will be installed in just 3-4 minutes. So downloading is going to take time. Now, once you download it, okay, and once you run the setup, then you will get this shortcut icon. Okay. Now in CAM, I'll give you today's lecture. May I use this for you? This software for you. Now in in CAMD, you have term work which is for the 50 marks, right? Term work which is 50 marks, and 50 marks is for the practical exam. So some part of the term work we already done. That is intersection. Major part of the term of is devoted for modeling. Okay, wherein you have to do some four assemblies depending upon time, four assemblies. In the exam, you have to do assembly and you have to do detailing also. So out of 50 marks, 20 marks for assembly, 20 marks for detailing, and 10 marks for oral. Uh, Then no questions will be asked from the no question will be asked during the exam. No question will be asked from your intersection or any other part. For the exams, it's more or less it is only modeling as of depending upon the pandemic. Uh, I don't know what the situation will be. So don't you know misunderstand me that Rane sir aisa bola tha. As of this is the situation. Depending upon the pandemic, it may happen that practical exam may get cancelled also, like your second semester, isn't it? Practical exam was cancelled. The marks were given on the basis of internal assessment and term work, isn't it? So that's why you have to be very careful about your internal assessment. And everybody of you have got 9, 10, 9, 10. Only one or two students they have got 8 marks. And then you have to score well also in internal assessment. So there is a model, mathematical model given by the University of Mumbai. Okay, so based on that, in case if the exams are not conducted, then we conduct and then we give or we calculate the marks based on your assessment, then based on your term work, and theory marks are calculated based on your previous marks, previous semester marks, as well as current semester internal assessment mark. I hope these mathematical models are clear to you, you know, because your second semester result was declared or marks were calculated on this basis, and I think result is expected very soon, maybe 1 or 2 weeks. Now, this is what is your clapper base. This I'll just reduce it to 100%. This is what is your clapper blocks. Each and it consists of 6 parts. It consists of 6 parts. One, two. Part number one. This is called as a swell plate. This is called a swell plate. Swell. Part number two is called the drag plate. Today I am taking here on NX. This is a part of CAMD. So don't get confused. This what we are discussing today is not a part of manufacturing processes. Is not a part of manufacturing processes. Remember, this is the part of CAMD. Today I am taking CAMD. Rather, you can say today I am taking CAMD. Why? Because now Ganpati is coming, so you may get holidays. So in the holiday, if you are able to download, then you can practice also. You can use your holidays. Now you are busy for half day. In case if somebody gets bored during the holidays, uh, he can practice modeling. That is the purpose. Then part number two, that is this. Part number two, which is called as the drag release plate. Drag release plate. This plate fits inside this. It goes inside this. Then part number B, where it is part number B is pin. It's a round pin. That's why the second view is not shown. It's a round pin, diameter 13 ka. So that goes inside this, and this plate goes inside this. So the pin, holds fuel plate and rack plate. This may be there is a hole, know, that is, and it holds this part and this part. I'll show you the assembly also. Don't worry. Then part number four, that is this. This is your tool holder plate, tool holder, tool holder. So in which uh, the screw goes. This is what is the screw is, and this screw M14 screw goes inside this, and below there is a tool here. Okay, so the cutting tool goes inside this tool holder, which is clamped by this part number 5, that is screw, and then you have part number 6, that is washer, that is kept here. Okay, so let me see whether I have assembly. Hmm? Yes, this is how. This is what now you know what is shaping machine. We already done. That's why I was waiting. At shaping lecture to get over. This is shaping machine, and this reciprocates. By now you know this is a ram which reciprocates. Okay, this is the tool slide, and this is what is your clapper blocks is. This is what is your clapper blocks. Now you have a 3D model. So this is a separate unit. This clapper box is a separate unit which is tightened on this tool slide with the help of this bolt. With the help of this bolt, this is tightened over here. All right, clamped. So if you remember, this is what is your swell plate is. This ये जो बाहर का है वो swell plate. I will again show this. ये swell plate this. I'll share this today so that you can go through the drawings. Then swell plate के अंदर you have a drag release plate. See this, ये जो drag release plate है, और you have a pin, that is this going through this. So ये drag release plate, it looks like this. ये drag release plate is this drag release plate, and this is of course a tool holder. Okay, I did not again go up. And this is a screw. Okay, tool holder, screw, then a pin, then drag release plate, swell plate, and ये जो है वो washer है, washer. ठीक है, so this is what is your assembly is. The function of drag release plate is, if you remember in the shaping I had told that in the forward cut the velocity is less, and in the retract, in the return stroke, the velocity is double, and that time your tool has to lift. It should not rub. Tool has to lift. So tool will get lifted. See, this is a hinge kind of things at the return stroke. So that's why there is a provision of swelling. Alright, that's why there is a provision of this swelling. Alright, okay. Hmm. So I understood this. See, this is how it will look like. This is the machine part. Before I say individual part. तो ये वो machine part है, well plate. This is tool holder. ये आपका washer. This is what the washer is. Hmm. So at the time of assembly, doing assembly, it will be more, feel more clear. This is a sectional view. You can study, this. Yes, you can study because last 10 days I have not given any assignment to you. Isn't it? So this will be the next assignment now. That is study of clapper block, modeling of clapper block. So this is a sectional view. So you study on your own. I don't think there will be any problem. What we are doing is this. You have to concentrate on this. Itna, not this. 8, 9, 10, you forget it. This part, our clapper block is this. You'll understand this. Okay. This is what is our clapper block assembly is. Sectional. Okay, ये आपका swell plate था. Okay, one. Then this is a sectional view. So you have first. So this is important. This drawing you study, in which it is very clear. You have first well plate head, in which you are assembling your drag release plate. This. Then this is a pin which combines your swell plate and drag release plate. Okay. Then you have washer here. Sorry, washer is here. I'm sorry, washer is here. Uh, this, and through the washer, this tool holder goes to the washer. This tool holder goes. So that is part number four. Okay. This washer is hollow. So washer के अंदर से tool holder जाता है, right? And then you have a cutting tool which is here, which is clamped by this screw. Hmm. So I hope this assembly is clear. Hmm. And these are the different parts. This is what is your tool holder is. It will look like. Okay, so यहाँ का washer है. Now this is a separate model. Okay, so don't bother about this. So you, when I'll upload, no, you study up to this. That is, you can go down, but then you will get confused. Okay, this I am not taking. uh, Okay, so you will get confused. So you only go till page number 6 or page number 7. All right, up to 6, up to 6 only. Hmm. There are 15 pages. See, there are 15 pages, out of which you study only first 6 pages. Otherwise, you will be confused. Alright, so I'll minimize this PDF file. Now, I am opening screens. Okay, I'm opening two screens now. Opening two screens. Just make 75%. And then another is this. So now there are two screens. One screen showing the. Are you okay? You can see, no, both the.
Yes, sir.
You can see both the drawings. Hello, please
Yes, sir.
respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Let's let's it properly. Okay, so now I'll uh, I'll close this drawing. How to close this drawing? You have to close this from here. So I'll go slowly. I'll also send this link also. Back to Nivoda. You can drag it like this. Once you get this arrow, no, then only you can drag it. So how to close this? See, this is swell plate. The name of this is swell plate. Isn't it? This is a model. Okay. तो कहाँ पे गया swell plate आपका? यहाँ पे. Yes. This swell plate in which ये drag plate बैठता है. Okay. That is this part number 2 goes. Then आपका pin है वो यहाँ से जाता है. Alright. Then you have washer. you know sitting inside this. Okay, जिसमें आपका ये टूल होल्डर जाएगा एंड देन you have a screw, so like that it is. So is this visible, this cross visible है? Please respond somebody.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'll close this. Close over. If any moment if it is not visible, you please tell me, because I understand this is slightly difficult. It's not like our regular presentation PPT. Okay, so now what I will say. So moment you install it, the moment you run your application files, or moment you run your setup files, then you will get this icon. Okay, which you can now pin up your taskbar. This is for the taskbar. तो taskbar को आप pin up कर सकते हो. See, ऐसे options आते हैं. Okay, here close window or unpin from taskbar. So if it is unpin, then you have to type in here. Search में जाके you can type it NX करके, and then you can um, load it. So every time, just in order to avoid that search things, you can pin up here. Hmm? All right. So once you run this, command, this shortcut command, then you'll get like this screen. So now you go to file and you say new. Okay. This open option is there. Open option is there. That is whatever files are there. Okay. So whatever models you have made, you can open it from here. Okay. Then recently opened parts can be seen here. Then touch mode window help is not required. Home, I'm just telling you, I'm just taking a tour, of this. I'm, taking you, or I am touring this. So in home option, you'll get, various, uh, various other options which will help you to draw the model. And then you have tools. So slowly you will see. All right. So file may you say new. Okay. If you are doing it first time. Now this is what the capability of your, even though it is student edition, you will get all this. You'll get model. uh, in model you can do the drafting. You can draw your component. That is what is your model means. All these parts can be drawn in model. For that you have to select model. Again, if you install successfully this student edition, then you will get this drawing. That means yes, yours and mine is same. Even if you get different edition, doesn't matter, because more or less it is same. More or less it is same. So the capabilities, there are various capabilities like model, assembly, shape studio, sheet metal, routing logical, routing mechanical, routing electrical, and blank. So out of which uh, all this you can do in student edition. All this, if somebody is very curious academically, he can do it on his own. But because of time, we should focus on what is important from examination. So from examination point of view, now this model and assembly, these two important. So in model, as I told, you can do the part drawings, okay, which I showed you now. So that was done model mein. And then when you assemble, okay, I hope you remember that photograph. So if you want to do the assembly, if you want means, whenever you want to go for assembly, then you have to select this. So now we have to model it. Okay, we have to do the modeling. Okay, so we'll select, we'll go for model. Okay, so once we have this model, okay, I'll just overlap. Please allow me to overlap this. Okay, this is what you can see. तो बड़ा करता हूँ. Right now that drawing is not important, so that's why I maximize this. So once you go into modeling environment, so you will get this screen. You will get this screen. So on the top you can see this NX Learning Edition, and you are into modeling. If you select assembly, then that assembly will appear here. Assembly will appear here. Then in application, like you are aware of CNC machining, CNC lathe, CNC milling. So in application, in manufacturing, you can do tool path simulation. You can do the programming, CNC programming, which you are not going to do in this semester, which is there, which you will do with me in the next year. Tool path simulation, then NC programming for turning and formatting. So that. So file name now I said you have to go for new. Okay. So new may now you give a name. Hmm. So we'll start with a simple, very simple. You give a name. Alright. So I'll say pin. We're starting with the drawing of pin. Pin. Okay. And there is already one drawing called as a pin. So I'll say pin one. Alright. Otherwise it will overwrite. Then you better create a folder. क्या आया क्या है इसको बंद कर देते so many files. I'll close this and this also I'll close it. Fine, is that okay? I'll close this. You are understood, no? This folder. Hello, please respond. Hello, hello, Fernandez. Shall I close that folder one? This one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This what for this what I was talking that once you download then you will get this folder. I'll close this. Where I was here. So pin one and then you create your folder. Okay. So shall I clear another folder or I have already cleared? I think you know how to create a folder, etc. I did not show you, no? Fernandez, hello, hello. You know how to create a folder, no? On a desktop, you can create a folder, and in that you can save this pin one. So this is a folder Clapper, which is in the desktop. See, you can browse from here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
See, somebody has to interact with me. Is Madhav there? Otherwise, I will not. I will just keep on calling. Where is Madhav? Madhavendra. Hello, are you there, Madhavendra or Renan? Hello,
Yes, sir.
you please keep interacting with me for another 20 minutes. Okay,
Okay,
so
okay.
don't leave the session. You have anything for another 20 minutes? No, no.
No, no.
Yeah, so please be there. Okay, so now so you can see the directory. This Clapper block. Alright, so you can browse it and you can create a folder, and in that you can save it. Is that clear, Renan?
Yes, sir.
Hello. You know how to create a folder? Yes or no? You want me to show? On the desktop, you can create a folder, right? And
Yes.
now you say, okay. Huh? There is a lag. So now you say, okay, fine. Renan, is this clear?
Yes, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. Please be interactive. I will trouble you for another 20 minutes. Say okay.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Keep on saying like that. Okay, okay, okay. Right? Something like that. So now see here. So you have your pin one. And with this model one, you will close this. Closing a file that is modified. Do you want to save it before closing? So I say no, close it. Okay. So the file name is pin1 and in the folder clapper. Now this is what you will get it here. This is a coordinate system. Now you should understand the working of mouse. Uh, Renan,
Yes.
hello. Uh, so you have in the mouse you have left click, then you have roller and you have right click. Correct? Left click, roller and route click. Okay. So with the
Yes.
help of roller, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay. Left click is for the selection, and uh, if you press uh, roller, then you can rotate it. Okay. And if you press roller and right button of the mouse, then you can pan it like this. Okay. So mouse plays very important role. Now this is slightly distort. So right click with the help of a mouse on the screen anywhere. See, mouse is divided into three parts: left button, then you have roller, and you have right button. Okay, so right button, or I'll simply say right click, huh? And then in the right click, you'll get this option. So orient view. Orient view means it will take its initial position. So select orient view and go to isometry. Okay, okay, so it will take that initial position. Okay, understood, Renan? This is
Yes, sir.
okay. Now we will draw a pin. Okay. You have to go to the sketch mode. So here you will see right, menu, and now just try to see where is your sketch. Can you see sketch mode here anywhere? File में. These are the different tools which are used for drawing. So in the menu you have file, edit, insert, and so many options here. Then you have filter, then we have selection scope. So all this you will see. Hmm. Okay, so I clicked at the modeling. Now I'll click at the sketch. If you want, you can write on the steps. Sketch. It's loading. You can drag this here. Okay. So once you select the sketch, then you will get this window. Okay. And then go for horizontal plane, because now we are going to work in this plane, that is XY plane. So I'll say horizontal, and I say okay. Okay. So this is what you got. Is it clear, Renan?
Yes.
Yeah. Sketch में जाके you're selecting that plane. So please write down. Hmm. First you have to go to modeling. Then in modeling, go to the file. Okay. File में new the file name. Then in the modeling you have to go for the sketch. Then select the horizontal plane if vertical plane is there, and say okay. So you'll get this, and like this command will pop up, so you can just escape it. Hmm? And then I explained you the function of the mouse. Alright, now I'll restore it. It is that video file one. I can drag even Renan also, then it will take time. It will take time. Drag here. All right. Hmm. So the simplest part here is where it is gone. Pin. Pin. Okay. Renan, what is the diameter of the pin?
13.
13 dia. Okay. So what I will do now? Hmm, I'll select circle from here. Okay. See, moment you are into sketch, then you should be able to see the flag. Okay, finish ka flag. Okay. This is what you have to. Your observation is very much required, and don't be panicky. Sir, मेरा ये नहीं दिख रहा है, मेरे को वो नहीं दिख रहा है. हाँ? So many things happens in the lab. So don't be panicky. Keep huh? Keep your eyes open. Huh? Uh, observe carefully. So moment you are into the sketch, you will see this finish sketch, and you will also note this also. Sketch one means you are drawing sketch which is named as sketch one. And once you finish the sketch, then you can select this finish option. Okay, and then you can do the extrude and other things. All right, Renan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I'll select circle. So circle में again you have various you know inputs. So this you can invoke on your own. Okay, like here circle. This is similar to your AutoCAD. Circle by center and diameter. Circle by 3 points and blah blah blah. All right. So I'll select this now. Circle by center and diameter. Okay. Now take your cursor. I am using left click. Okay, for selecting. I'm using left click for selection. Okay, now this is my origin. See x0. Okay, x0. So 0 is there. Okay, so I'll simply say enter. So 0 has been selected, and for y also I'll say 0. Either I can type in 0 and say enter. Okay, now if you move your mouse, I'm moving a mouse. Okay, if you move a mouse, it will go bigger and bigger. Okay, अभी यहाँ पे कितना लिखो रेनन डायमीटर में?
13.
13, 13. So I will type with the help of a keyboard. I will type 13, 13. All right, and I'll say enter. Okay, so can you see that circle of 13 has come?
Yes.
Now I'll escape, press escape key from the keyboard, low bar. So you are escaped out of the circle key. You can place this dimension anywhere you want simply by left click, or and then just move the mouse on the pad, on the mouse pad. Move the mouse. Okay, so wherever you want to place it, you can place it. Okay, all right, Renan.
Yes.
So now I have done with the sketch. So I'll, because this is there is nothing here, just a pin only. So I'll say finish. Remember, once you finish the sketch, then you say finish now. So finish sketch. So now you are into 3D. Now you have shortcut key like Control F, simultaneously Control F. So Renan, Control F का मतलब, if you know say no, otherwise,
Zoom.
huh?
Zoom, yeah.
So Control F. F for father. So F here, fit to screen. Okay, fit to screen. So you notice, no? And then either you can go for control F or you can go with the middle button, roller button. Zoom in and zoom out. Mouse ka, so you should have, if you don't have mouse, if you are buying the mouse, then you select the mouse like this. Okay, like it has left button, right button, and you should have a roller button also, because some mouses they don't have roller button. So you should have mouse like this. So with the middle roller you can zoom in and zoom out. This is one thing. Okay, and with the control F you can fit to page. Renan, all right.
Yes, sir.
So now I am doing this with the middle button, that is roller of the mouse. All right, and then if I click this roller and third button, right button, then I can pan it. पंजा आ गया, पंजा आ गया, दिखाई दे रहा है रेनन?
Yes,
Yeah, can you see the panja? So you can pan it wherever you want across the screen. What I am doing, Renan? क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं?
you're pressing the roller button and the right
So
button.
roller button and right click button. Good. Huh? Okay. Hmm. And then if I want to rotate, huh, I can rotate this. Again, this hand, what I am doing, जो middle button है, roller button, उसको मैं press कर रहा हूँ. Okay. I am not rolling. वो जो रोलर है ना उसको मैं रोल नहीं कर रहा हूँ, रोल उसको मैं प्रेस कर मतलब दबाया हूँ, मिडल बटन को दबाया हूँ एंड आई एम रोटेटिंग इट. ऑलराइट, एंड इफ आई वांट टू ब्रिंग बैक टू इट ओरिजिनल पोजीशन, देन राइट क्लिक में ओरिएंट व्यू, एंड देन ओरिएंट व्यू में ज्योमेट्री, तो आ गया. नाउ moment you say finish sketch, now that flag has disappeared. Now you get various options here. So to extrude now, I'll थोड़ा zoom in करता हूँ and go to extrude. What is the length of the pin, Renan?
100.
100. Okay, so now I'll extrude. So you can move it. Okay, I'll extrude. Okay, so now see x, y, z. So if I say z plus, it will be in this direction. If I say z minus, it will be in this direction. Okay. So here first is select the curve. Okay. Now since some before curve, these are the buffer values which are already there. Okay, so I'll make it 0. Previous drawing का buffer values था. Okay, previous. Again, I will escape out. Right. I'll say extrude, and I will orient view, orient. Okay, so we'll go to extrude now. Select curve. Now curve is nothing but a circle. See, can you see the circle is highlighted?
Yes,
Renan?
sir.
Yeah. So select that. All right. Now we are extruding. So start value. Start. You are giving some value. All right. And distance. So 0. So this face is our 0. Then end. Again, it is given in terms of value. And then distance is 100. Okay. So 100 here. Okay. Then you say apply, and then you say okay. Target body completely inside the tool body. Okay. You say okay. So this is what is your pin is, rotating it. Right. And I can fan it. say okay. So target body completely inside the tool body. Hmm. So there is one mistake which I had done. I'll say okay. You can you can tell me later on what was that target body completely inside the tool body. Hmm. Why it is giving like this? Now there is one option like Control Z. So with the help of Control Z, you can delete the command. And another option shortcut is Control S. S stand for saving. That is, you can save. Hmm? All right.
Yes.
So yeah. So now I'll again show this. Hmm? So I'll go to extrude. I will delete it. Okay. There's a delete option just to make you familiar. Then I'll go to sketch again. All right. Again, I will delete the sketch. Move to level. Delete this. Okay, once you finish the sketch, then only you can delete. Huh? Okay, so now let me check now. This is proper 13. I'll just take it inside and I'll say finish sketch. And now I have this extrude option. I'll say orient view and orient view I'll say isometric. Hmm. Okay, now extrude. So now nothing is there. So you should see like this. Okay, you should see like this. Now select curve. So I have not selected. So now I have selected this. Select curve. Okay. Select curve. Then distance 0 and then say 100. Okay, inferred. Okay. Apply. And you can close this. Say Control F. So now you have your body. Okay. Okay. So I'll say this Control S. So saved. Hmm. And then I will close it from here. Okay. Now we'll quickly draw another one more model, simple model that is washer. Okay. Again, I'll say file, then new. Okay. Then here I'll say washer, washer one. My directory remains same. That is clapper only. Say okay. Hmm. All right. Then I'll go to home. I'll go to washer one is already there. So I'll go to file. File it's already open. Hmm. I'll maximize this. छोटा छोटा इसमें sometimes I also get confused. Huh? So you have a sketch. You have a sketch option here. So sketch. Let I'll restore it. So moment to go to sketch, then you have this window. Right. The plane horizontal is there. Okay. So I say okay here. Hmm. So now in the sketch, I'll select circle. Here, tell me the diameter. Tell me the diameter of the inner circle. Renan Hernandez. This is the washer. Part number 6.
30.
What is 30? 30. Percent. I'll go for this method. Okay, so center is 0. The diameter is enter. Then you got a circle. Okay, right. Then again one more circle. Right, the center is same. So sorry. So I'll say Control Z. Diameter 30. Enter. 30. Enter. I'll escape. Huh? Escape twice. Again I'll use circle command. So diameter is 60. Alright, 60. And say enter. It has not taken 60. Enter. It is not taking 60. Enter. So it had already taken. Let me see. So Control F. What is the diameter of this? You can drag it here. This dimension you can drag it like this. You have to escape out of the circle command. 7.1. So that is wrong. So I'll edit it. Okay, you got to know edit. So double click here. Double click here. So you can type in here. P7 is equal to 60 and say enter. Huh? So now you say finish. Okay. So now you will get these 3D options. So go for extrude. See the previous was pin का आ गया इसमें. So I will say 0 here. Enter. Alright. I'll come out of and again I will select extrude. So first is I'll select this curve. Select curve, isn't it? Select curve. None of the curve is selected. So Z. Now I want to go down. Okay, so I'll say Z. What is the thickness? Renan, what is the thickness?
9.
9. So I'll say minus 9. Enter. Okay. Apply or okay. Close. Okay. So Control F. You have this. Now again now you have to go for this circle. Hmm, and then you have to subtract. All right. From this body, that is called as the Boolean operation. So again go to extrude. All right, then select curve. So you are selecting this curve. uh, that's the continuous curve. All right, then 0, that value is already there. Minus 9 is also already there. Okay, now here there is an option Boolean operation, that is subtract. All right, so this one will be subtracted from this. I say apply and say okay. Hmm, so congratulations. So you got second simple model. All right, all right, Renan.
Yes, sir.
So you understood, no? So it was a simple. So first is here pin toe. I just draw a circle and then I extruded. For the washer, I drew two circles. Okay, and then outer circle I extrude, and then the inner circle I extruded and I said subtract. That's a Boolean operation. Subtract, and it got subtracted. Okay. So just 1 minute now. I'll say Control S. Control S. That is save option. Washer one and say close it. Okay. So tomorrow also I will take continue with this only. 9 o'clock tomorrow. I'll continue this. So if you can download today, fine. Otherwise, you can download at your own, time. and at your own pace. So I'll close this now. Window. So I'll close this also. हॅलो लेक्चर मध्ये आहे हा 5 मिनिटांनी संपत आले. I'll close this window also, drawing window also. Alright. Then if you have any doubt, you please ask. If you have any doubt, you please ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Hmm? Okay, I'll stop recording. Stop recording.